up guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. And this is your first time here. On this channel, what we do is a lot of product reviews, tech reviews, app reviews, even game reviews. We do some live gaming, even live streaming. And from time to time, I do some how-tos and do-yourself videos, so the tutorials and stuff like that. So we do a whole bunch of stuff here when it comes to technology and make your life easier in life. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like all that stuff and more, make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And while you're at it, guys, you might as well go ahead and start liking all my videos, you sharing all my videos, and comment on the video, because that helps my channel grow more and expand more, and let more people know what's going on here so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out.
Hey guys, are you looking for some awesome and premium service TV? Then you want to come and check out catchontv.com. Once you go here, it'll bring you to this great nice looking website right here. Look at all the stuff they have to offer, and look at this right here. Take a free trial right here. You get to get a free 3-day trial. Check it out. You got so much information, and look at the layout of this website. This website looks so nice, guys. Gives you all the information you need to go ahead and get started. But wait, there's more. Let's go and check out the app itself. Look at the app right here. Look how nice this app is. Like, look at the layout on this, guys. You don't want to miss out. Look at all this stuff they have available for you guys to check out. So much stuff to check out, guys. Trust me, you're not going to regret it, so come and check them out today.
Alright, so today we're going to do a product review that I just bought myself. It was not sponsored. It wasn't sent to me or nothing. I bought this out of my own money because I felt this was a great product to get. So I'm going to show it to you and unbox it to you right here. And this is for my PC setup, people, for different situations. I'm going to use it for one way. You might use it a different way. So what I'm going to be unboxing today, it's the Neewer tabletop stand with flex arm mount right here. This one right here. There's this small little box right here. So what I'm going to do is take it out, take everything out. The box came all messed up and everything, so when I got it, so it's all good. Everything's in there, hopefully. So when you first take it out, I'm going to take it all out here. As you see, it's all still wrapped up. I'm just making sure there's nothing left inside. All right, so in here, oh, I got a mount right here. All right, so there's nothing else in the box. So what is this? This is a mount that you put it right here on the table, and you could mount whatever you want. You can mount a mic to it. You can mount your webcam. You can mount a DSLR camera, your phone, whatever you want, you can mount to it. So first thing I noticed that came out, that popped out, that fell over here on the floor, was they have a phone mount that you mount on here. So just to show you what it looks like, because we all seen this before. This is a regular universal phone mount. As you see, it stretches out to whatever your phone size you have. So boom, except the big one, I forgot the Note. I don't think it'll fit the Note, but the Samsung Note. But anything else, it'll fit there as standard phone size. All right, here we got this big bar right here, this is the actually table mount. All right, so this reminds me of the Elgato one, but this is a lot cheaper price, and this is very well built. So just to bring it up close to you guys, look at the mount build right here. You can see how nice it is built. It's very nice, sturdy bolt right here. It's built very nice, which I like very much. And then once you tighten it, let's say you put it too close to the wall and it hits the wall, you can push this button and turn it, so you could go back to where it is, so you don't have to keep going around and something is in the way. So that's good. You got this right here. Boom. Simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this part here. But I'm going to do that in a second. But you bring it down and you mount it. But this part right here, this is the whole size right here. But this also flexes out. So I'm going to show you how high it goes. Oh. All right. So that is the height, the maximum height. I don't know if you can see it on the camera how big, but it's a good 3 or 4 feet, I want to say. I would say about between 3 and 4 feet. But I'm going to mount this right here. And again, like I said, you could use this for anything. My main purpose for this was to mount it on the side over here, because I do have one from Elgato. But I have that mounted for something else. I have that mounted for one of my mics, but that's okay. So now once you mount it there, you get this flex arm right here. This is the flex arm right here, which is pretty cool. I like it very much. All right. And again, you can mount whatever you want on here, whether it be a microphone, a webcam, whatever you want. And it has a thread right here at the end, so you guys can see it right there. You see it? Thread right there. And then you have the pole mount right here. So this actually mounts to the pole here. So it doesn't actually, so let's say you have like a light here and then you want to put this to your camera. So you have the light pointing down and then you can put the camera right here and boom. And it'll be right here like this. What I want to use this for is, as you see, I got two double 49-inch ultra wide widescreen curved monitors, right? And it's to put the webcam in my PC, I have to put it right here. But I can't use the DSLR, which I do want to use the DSLR to put the camera on here, so I can use that because it's better quality. I want to put this on the side, and then the flex arm will bring out the camera here when I want to use it. And then let's say, let me show you real quick, because this is pretty tough. So whatever I put it, I'm gonna put it like this, and then when I'm done, I can just fold it and put it away. And then it'll just stay right here, put it away to the side. It doesn't bother anybody, doesn't really do much more damage to it. I think it's a great thing, all right? So what else did they give you? They give you a couple of screws here. So you get more screws here to tighten everything up if you need to. It has different thread mounts for whatever camera you're using, whichever thread it takes, so that's good there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mount this here, just so I can, just for demonstration purposes. So it's sturdy there. I'm gonna put this is my mic here, so I'm gonna put this up here like this. Let's say I wanna use it like this. All right, so this is the port here. Depending wherever you want to put it, I'm just doing it here for demonstration. I'm not gonna leave it here. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna open this up here. And then I'm gonna mount the pole here. I gotta make it a lot longer because I'm putting on the bigger one. Actually, let me put on the smaller one because this will be easier. Because I think it works better on the smaller pole here, because you know how all these poles are bigger and bigger. The top one is the smallest one, so it will work better if you put it on the top mount. All right, so I'm gonna put it on the top mount one. Open this up, and then you just post this here, and then you just twirl this in so it stays tight. And then you just mess with it right there. And like I said, once you have it stretched out there, guys, let's say I want to use my phone, I'm gonna put this mount here. And then I just put it however I want. So if I want, let's say I put my phone right here. Oh, where's my phone? I'm gonna put it right here so demonstration so you can see. So imagine this was my DSLR I want to use, and I put it like this. I use it, do my videos, do what I gotta do. Once I'm done, all I gotta do is put it away and put it to the side and done. That's how cool this little thing is. I thought it was a very cool device. Something to add to your desk if you need it. Again, you don't have to use it for what I'm showing you here or what I want to use it for. You can use it for whatever you want to use it for. The possibilities are endless for this. So I thought it was pretty good. I wanted to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below to where you can get this. These are not too expensive. I think this was 30 bucks. I want to say, I don't remember because I bought it a while ago. But like I mentioned in my last video, guys, I haven't done a video in a while because my PC was down and I was in the middle of moving. So again, I bought this right before I moved. So as you can imagine, while moving, I didn't have time to open it, use it, do anything with it. Before I moved, because I didn't think I was gonna move anytime soon, before I moved, I went ahead and got this because I was gonna use it for something on my other apartment. But it didn't work out the way I wanted to because I didn't stay there. I moved here, so now I have it here. So yeah, that's it for guys. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss a thing, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.